What is up, you guys? Welcome back. As you know, the current challenge I've set for myself is quite a big one. I gave myself a little over 1 year to grow my Steam inventory from about 680 euros to the point where I can cash out and buy a car. Yeah, a car. Not an expensive one, but a car nonetheless. So far, it has been 1 month since I started this, and I gotta say, I am quite unhappy with the progress. But that makes sense because Steam Summer Sale just happened. Prices for a lot of items have dipped insane amounts. If you saw my recent videos about csgo collections, then you know that some of them dipped over 50% in the last month. I would say I'm a bit on the lucky side here because I didn't invest all that much in collections, and the items that I do have from collections didn't even drop all that much. Okay, then why am I unhappy with the progress this month? Well, it's mostly because I wasn't able to devote as much time to flipping, and when I say as much time, I actually mean I didn't flip at all. I started flipping again just last week and made some good profit, but a lot of the items I bought 1 month ago are still in my inventory. The price for them fell about 5 to 10%, so I just chose to hold them until after the summer sale when the prices recover. I checked a lot of them recently and I'm happy to see that they're moving up in price. I still did manage to sell a bunch of items, but those are the ones that I listed like a few weeks ago. During the summer sale, I was actually able to purchase some skins for relatively good deals. I got 1 Hydra case, 2 Huntsman cases, 4 Hellraiser stickers from Cologne 2014, which I expect to go up a lot higher during the end of summer, but I guess we'll have to wait and see. I also bought 23 anodized navies in Factory New, and I was lucky enough to get a few of them with really good float. Besides that, I also got 2 AK-47 point disarrays, which I was very excited about, and rightfully so, because 1 week later they're almost €1 more expensive. One of these AKs I was able to buy with a Battle Scarred Holo sticker, which is really nice considering the sticker goes for 4.5 euros. I also tried to guess the bottom for the hollow chest of the Dietide when the Dota 2 crash happened, but ended up screwing myself because the price went even lower and is still there. I haven't gotten to experience a Dota 2 market crash as big as this one yet, so this time I only made some predictions, didn't really invest in the crash, which turned out to be a mistake. Because those items that fell 50% they recovered to almost the same price in a couple of weeks. So yeah, next time there's a Dota crash, I won't be so hesitant to invest into it. I didn't buy as many Rust items during this month, mostly because I was AFK, but also because I wasn't able to sell those ones I had already as the price went slightly down for most of them. After the summer sale, when I get to sell those items, I'll be continuing buying and selling Rust items because they are a really good option to flip. I have also taken it a bit further with flipping items on Skinport. Well, so far I've mostly been buying items on Skinport, selling them on Steam, then I spend the Steam money buying those things I listed above, and I'm going to sell them back to Skinport and proceed to buy items with better deals on the same website. I will make a video dedicated entirely to this method because I think it is quite nice, and it requires not that much work. You only need a bank account to be able to withdraw from Skinport. In total, I have deposited 44 euros worth of Steam money, but I spent less than that in real money. Also, I have withdrawn 33 euros so I can repeat this flipping cycle again and again. I have spent 6.5 euros on buying a Dota 2 pass for one of my videos, but actually I've been playing Dota 2 again and the pass was a nice addition to my game experience. During this month, I've also received a few glove and spectrum cases as a donation from Clon, which is about 7 euros. I have hosted a giveaway as well where a subscriber Crank won this Desert Eagle Midnight Storm, which set me back about 10.5 euros. Here is a screenshot of all the instances of profit or loss that had nothing to do with flipping. It is a chunky amount of money, but when you add them up, it only comes up to 2.62 euros profit from this. I didn't end up selling the falchion knife, which I unboxed last month, because right when I listed it for sale, prices started going down because of the summer sale, so it fell about 30 euros. I chose to just keep it for now and sell it a little later when the prices are recovered. This last week, I've also started flipping Dota 2 items again, mostly the blue ones from the hollow chest of the Dietide, and it has been going great, I cannot complain. Turns out they're still a very viable option to flip. Back in the day when I just started my YouTube channel, I made a video titled 40 euros in 24 hours. In that video, I'm flipping Dota 2 items and showing everything on video without cutting anything out. I explain my thought process, how I decide to buy items and for what price. That's going to be very helpful if you don't have that big of an inventory and would like to learn how to flip these low tier items for maximum profit. Finally, the total amount that my inventory is currently worth is 720 euros, which is 35 euros more than last month. I want to remind you that the items I currently hold, I track only the price I bought them for, not the current price. For some of these items the price is higher, for others it is lower, still I count the profit or loss only when I sell them. In the next weeks I'm going to focus on selling the items that I have held for some time, as well as flipping more Rust items and Dota 2 items. I will continue profiting by flipping items on Skinport as well, and just try to make the most out of it. If you enjoyed this video of me breaking down the progress on this series, then make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to not miss future updates. Thanks for watching, I'll see you around, bye bye.